To enable or disable universal switch sound feedback in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility. And then tap accessibility. Select interaction and dexterity, and then tap universal switch. Select settings, and then scroll down. To enable sound feedback, tap switch until blue, or to disable, tap switch until white. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.